Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the CyberZingFx Trend Reversal Indicator for MT4. Okay, now let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. All right. Here we go, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. As for the input settings, you can see the available settings here from the uh, visibility of your support and resistance to whether you want to apply reversal filters to show reversal arrows and all of that, right? There are quite a number of customizable inputs here. Feel free to modify them according to your taste. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. All right, now you will notice a few features from this indicator, right? You will see that the indicator helps us identify the current trend. You can see that here. So when the magenta line appears and price is trading below it, it's a sell trend, right? It's just like a moving average, okay? So the moving average changes color. You can see from green to yellow to magenta, right? Now, when the color is magenta and is trending downwards with price trading below it, it's a sell trend. When the color is uh, is green and you have price trading above it, you can see it's a buy trend, right? So you want to look out for buy opportunities within the buy trend, and you want to look out for sell opportunities within the sell trend. And now you're also going to find out that the indicator also plots some of these zigzag horizontal lines showing potential price reaction around a specific zone. You will notice that when the indicator paints that blue zigzag, it shows that there could possibly be a buy move. All right, so this was a sell trend, but this blue zigzag showed that there was a possible buy move. And here, well, the buy move did not last. Yeah, but at least the indicator gave a hint that there was, a little pullback incoming, right? And then here, well, this was more like a false signal. And then we can see here there was actually a buy move, right? And then in the case of the red horizontal zigzag, it's for a sell move, right? Of course. So this indicator, as you can see, also has an alert feature. Let's just head over to the inputs again, and you will see that there are alert features, right? You can see, so you can turn on the alert or turn it off if you will, if you want, right? And then you can also see how the indicator tells us number of pips as well, right? For the price movement, probably based on the signals given. So you can see here how the indicator told us the number of pips that moved from this point to well, I'm not sure the exact point that it's measured, right? But you can see probably till the reversal point. Okay, let's check that out. 22 pips. So 22 pips, it's probably going to be till to the moving average, probably from this circular signal to the moving average. That's what I think. Okay, so let's see this 68 pips. Let's see 68 pips. Okay, concerning this number of pips, well, as we can see together, it's exactly not clear what where the measurement is starting from and where it is ending. Well, it looks like it's starting from here, but I'm not sure where it is ending. Or is it starting from here and ending here? Well, we can see. So you can neglect this. Okay, let's just focus on the moving average itself, and then the horizontal zigzag indications. All right, I think those are going to be the major things for you to focus on, and then take advantage of the alerts. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.